And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group had a smash on Saturday, treating music lovers to a virtual VIP experience at Club Frequency, partying to hit songs from 2000 and beyond. For the first time, partygoers could see themselves on air via Zoom. Dancehall sensation Ding Dong also joined the party to share how the coronavirus has affected Ramesh Entertainment.
Everything is on a pause right now, and as you say, I never witnessed anything like this.
He also urged Jamaicans to take the coronavirus more seriously.
Something I want Jamaican people and people across the world to take very serious. It's not a joke thing. And the quicker we can deal with this as beings together, as a nation together, and the quicker we can go back outside and enjoy with regular life. You get me?
The fourth event in the Blazing Frequency series was broadcast across radio brands Fame 95 FM and Hits 92 FM, aired live on RETV and TVJ's YouTube page, and streamed live across all major social media platforms.
Super cool. You never hesitate for us to seal for me. Drink your seal.
So we got a little dance EDM vibe, the soca. We all touch reggae, dancehall, a little rap hip-hop kind of vibe.
Highlights of Club Frequency Experience will be right here on TVJ this Saturday at 8:30 p.m. And this weekend, it will feature the Captain, Colin Hines, and the Donovan Dakers. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.